Hello everyone, do you know that third-party apps and sites can easily access your phone number and location? In this video, I will show you some settings that you should turn off immediately to boost your privacy and security. So let's begin. First of all, you should open your phone settings and then you should find out Google. So after that, simply select it and then select all services. Right now scroll down and under the privacy and security section you can find personalize using shared data. Simply select it and you should turn off all option. Actually this option can collect your all phone activities and shared with Google, as well as it can drain your phone battery. So that's why turn off and go back, and right now you can find uses and diagnostics. Open it and turn off it. This option also collect your phone data, and as well as it can drain your phone battery. So that's why turn off and go back again, and right now you can find the option phone number sharing. Simply open it, and this option actually collect your phone number, contacts and shared with Google as well as others app. That's why turn off it. Right now go back and open your Chrome browser, and right now select on the top right hand corner three dot and select settings. Right now scroll down and you can find the option addresses and more. Simply select it, and right now you can see this option enable. Actually this option give the access your location with Google as well as others site. So that's why you should turn off immediately. So after doing all, you can boost your phone privacy and security. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.